how to fix PS5 error code E2-00000. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix PS5 error code E2-000. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now before we try to fix this issue, we have to understand what this error code really means. Well, it just really means that your console or your PS5 has actually failed to install your game properly. So if you're trying to install a game from CD, something just happened in between and it failed to actually install the game properly. If you were trying to download from PlayStation Store, maybe your internet got disconnected and that is why it also failed to install the game properly. And these are simply some of the reasons why the game has failed to install and how are the ways that some of the ways that you can actually fix them. Now for this, first of all, what you can try to do is just try to delete that game. Yes, just hit the options button on the controller and just try to click the option called delete, click the OK button and then delete the game. And after you've deleted the game, what you want to do is you want to head over to your PlayStation Store or your physical drive, however you try to install that game, and after you've done that, you can go ahead and then basically just try to restore it and again re-download it from the very beginning and make sure that you pay attention this time, and next time it is definitely going to work. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.